Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To respond to a task request in Outlook, open the Inbox folder of your Mail folder. Then either double-click the task request to open it in a separate task window, or single-click the task request to view it in the reading pane. If viewing it in the reading pane, then click either the Accept or Decline buttons that appear at the top of the task. Alternatively, if you open the task request in a separate task window, you could click the Accept or Decline buttons that appear in the Respond button group on the Task tab of the ribbon. If you accept the task by clicking the Accept button, a copy of the task is placed into your task list. You are now the task's owner and responsible for completing it. Clicking Decline does not add the task to your task list. After clicking either Accept or Decline, a message box appears in which you can select either the Edit the Response Before Sending or Send the Response Now option button. Choosing the Edit the Response Before Sending option lets you enter a personalized message in the acceptance or denial response email you send. Choosing the Send the Response Now option instead automatically sends a generic acceptance or denial response email. After selecting the desired option, then click the OK button. If you open the task request in a separate task window, you can also reassign the task to someone else by clicking the Assign Task button in the Manage Task button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the task window. Doing this then adds the To field to the task request, where you can then select or type the email address of the person to whom to pass the task request. As a recipient of the task, you are also automatically added to the update list for the task. You can also check the two checkboxes at the bottom of the task for Keep an updated copy of this task on my task list, or Send me a status report when this task is complete to ensure you are updated. If you start to reassign a task and then change your mind, you can cancel the task assignment by clicking the Cancel Assignment button that appears in the Manage Task button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the task window. If you are the recipient of the task, you can view the people in the task's update list by double-clicking the task to open the task window. Then click the Details button that appears in the Show button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the task window. These people appear in the Update List field.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.